In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a business on TripAdvisor. If you want your place to be discoverable by travelers searching for where to stay, eat, or explore, getting it listed on TripAdvisor is a smart move. Before you start, it helps to have your basic business information handy, like the official name, street address, website, phone number, hours, a short description, and a few high-quality photos that you own the rights to use. Open your preferred web browser and go to the TripAdvisor website. You can type the address directly in the bar at the top and press Enter. Once the home page loads, take a moment to confirm you're on the correct regional site for your location, though this process is similar across regions. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. You're looking for the footer area, which contains helpful links. There, find the link labeled Add a Place. This is the entry point for submitting a new business to the platform, and it stays in the footer even if the rest of the site design changes. Click Add a Place. You'll be taken to a page that begins the submission process. The first choice is to select your business type. Pick the category that most accurately describes your business, such as a restaurant, hotel, attraction, or vacation rental. Selecting the correct category helps TripAdvisor place you in the right searches and ensures you're prompted for the most relevant details. Now, enter the business details carefully and completely. Use the exact business name as it appears on your signage and other online profiles. Fill in the full address, including city, region, and postal code, and adjust the map pin if prompted so it lands precisely on your location. Add a phone number and website if you have them, and choose the most accurate subcategories. When writing your description, keep it clear and factual, focusing on what guests can expect rather than marketing superlatives. If the form allows photos at this stage, upload clear, well-lit images that show the exterior, interior, and highlights of your offering. Consistency across your online listings reduces delays during review. When you're satisfied everything is correct, submit the form for review. TripAdvisor will evaluate the information to make sure it meets their guidelines, and this review can take some time. You may be contacted for verification, so keep an eye on your email. Once approved, your business will appear on TripAdvisor, ready to receive visibility from travelers. That's it. Simple, straightforward, and effective.